What if I told you that by investing just $5 a day, you could completely change your financial future? Sounds small, right? But what if that tiny amount is the one thing standing between you and long-term wealth? This $5 a day challenge has taken the internet by storm, and over the next 6 months, I decided to try it out. And let me tell you, the results were both surprising and eye-opening. Stay with me, because what I discovered will change how you think about investing forever. Why the $5 a day challenge? Why $5? Why not more? Or less? Well, $5 is small enough to fit into most people's budgets, but big enough to make a serious difference over time. It's that sweet spot of achievable and impactful. Most people don't invest because they think it takes thousands of dollars to get started. But here's the real fear. What if not investing is the biggest financial mistake you're making? Imagine if you had started investing $5 a day at 18. Where would you be by 30? The potential is mind-blowing, but the real question is, does it actually work? How I got started. First things first, I had to cut back on my daily Starbucks. Turns out my caramel macchiato was standing between me and future wealth. Who knew? How to set up automated investing apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Stash. Focus on making it as easy as possible to automate this challenge. But here's where things started to get interesting. By the second week, I noticed something happening. Something I wasn't expecting at all. What happened after 1 month? After 30 days, I didn't expect much. After all, what could $5 a day really do? But the compounding effect had already started. Slowly but surely, my investment was growing. But then reality hit me. What if I had waited? What if I hadn't started now? The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Time isn't just money, it's everything. If you're thinking, will $5 really make a difference? Let me ask you this. Do you know how much a Starbucks latte invested daily could turn into after 10 years? It's a lot more than you think. What about 3 months in? At this point, I started to feel that rush, the realization that every single dollar I put in was working for me. It's a crazy feeling to see money growing while you're doing nothing at all. But then came the most unexpected part. Something happened at the 3-month mark that changed everything. And this is where things get real. The unexpected challenges. Here's the thing. When the market dipped, my $5 a day strategy started to look shaky. What if I had lost all that money? What if this wasn't such a good idea after all? I don't know about you, but seeing red in your investment app is like watching your paycheck catch on fire. Fun times, right? But instead of pulling out, I did something that changed my entire outlook. And here's where most people get it wrong. The psychology of sticking with it. The more I invested, the more I realized that wealth isn't just about how much you invest, it's about your mindset. Wealthy people don't panic when the market drops. They see opportunities. This was a game changer for me. Ever wonder why the rich always seem to get richer? It's not just because they have more money. They understand how money works. And the $5 a day challenge taught me exactly that. But the real magic happened at the 6-month mark. What I saw in my account made all those sacrifices worth it. 6 months later, the final results. When I saw the final numbers, I couldn't believe it. $5 a day turned into something far more significant than I imagined. But here's the thing, it's not just the money. It's the lesson that $5, invested wisely, can completely alter your future. But before you rush off and start investing, there's something crucial you need to know. The bigger picture, why you should start now. Here's the reality. The longer you wait, the more you miss out on the magic of compound interest. Every day you hesitate is another day lost. Imagine where you could be 6 months from now, 12 months, even 5 years. What's scarier, losing a little money today or looking back in 10 years and realizing you've lost the chance to build wealth? Don't be that person who says, "I'll start tomorrow." Because we all know tomorrow is just code for never. Let's be honest. What's next? How you can start your own $5 a day challenge. If you've watched this far, it means you're serious about changing your financial future. And trust me, you can. Start with $5. Pick a platform. Automate it. Watch it grow. Small actions today can lead to massive results tomorrow. And if I can do it, you can too. So what's stopping you? In 6 months, you'll either wish you'd started today, or you'll thank yourself for doing it. The choice is yours. Thanks for sticking with me through this journey. Don't forget to subscribe if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Let's build wealth together, one $5 investment at a time.